The Wool Hunter here, bringing you an update from my YouTube channel. The next few videos that you're going to be watching is me lighting a bunch of different fireworks off. Each name of the video will be the name of the firework, so if you want to go to the stores to see what I lit, go ahead and use the video's name. The first firework that you'll be watching in this video is called the half-stick smoking firecracker. First time lighting it, have no freaking clue what's going to happen. It's going to be getting interesting.